Hello and welcome. This is the world's first purpose-built dashcam solution for rideshare. Introducing the Rideshare monitoring platform from DisplayRide. Ranked the best dashcam for rideshare in 2023 and 2024. Now you can get it for as low as $10 per month and benefit from its many features. As soon as the camera is powered, it begins recording video and audio, both roadside and cabin. It can also record at night using infrared. The dashcam is cloud-connected wirelessly and uploads and stores all recordings in the cloud immediately. In case of deactivation, you can, with a touch of a button, get the previous 15 days of footage and also get free legal assistance. Accidents are automatically detected, and an alert is sent to your emergency contacts. And it also allows them to live stream inside the vehicle. It takes less than a minute to install the DisplayRide dashcam. Basically, you power it on and go. There are no apps to download. All this for $10 per month only, and as long as you have service, the dashcam is under warranty. If you have more questions, we would be happy to answer. You can get more information and order using the QR code or link below. What are you waiting for? Get the protection and peace of mind you deserve for only about 34 cents a day.